Okay, so here we go. We're going to solder in one of the electrolytic capacitors. You can see me coming in. 1, 2, 3. Got the solder in there. And we'll do the next one. 1, 2, 3. Good. That one's soldered in. And all I have to do is use the quick release on the side. I take the board out, flip it over. Before I do that, though, I should probably trim the leads on the capacitor. So let's get the tool over here. Bring that up and snip. And snip. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put the voltage regulator in. And let's take the board out. And the voltage regulator, flat side goes there. And I'm just going to insert that gently right there. And it's in. I'll solder it. And this is going to be interesting because these pins are so close together. Fun begins. That one's in. The only thing you have to look out for on these boards is that you don't jump circuit pads, because that short circuits are not generally a good thing. And I can see there that I've got my regulator soldered in. Most of the discrete components now are on the board. The only thing I have to do now is solder in all the sockets, and I'll show you how to do the sockets in a second.